driver of our social and economic growth. However, energy is also a major culprit of the climate change. 80% of energy that we consume in the world today comes from fossil fuels. If the student of today become the ambassador of solar energy by making its own lamp, by switching it on even if there is electricity connection and switching off the other electricity supply, I think that is a very strong positive message. If I have a magic wand today that I can convert entire energy solution of the world on solar energy, will it result in a mitigation of climate change? Answer is no, because even if you use solar energy, there are carbon footprints. It's not zero, right? And therefore, the first principle of any sustainability is a disciplined use. If you are not a disciplined user of a food, of a clothing, of infrastructure, of energy, there is absolutely no way the planet Earth can support 7.3 billion people, 9 billion people. And I strongly believe that the discipline doesn't come unless it is localized. If you are generating, consuming your own energy, you are automatically sensitive to what you are using or not using. But if you are taking connection with the grid, and there is no sense. How much fan to run, how much light to run, how much diesel to run, how much energy, there is no sense.